Hello everyone, welcome back to another very important session of Dr. Saurav's classes, and we were doing psychology series. Four questions have been already solved. This is the fifth one, and we will be solving this question as well. And I hope you are learning from our videos. I hope you are enjoying from our videos. And please sit for the mock test so that you can understand at what level you are standing right now, how much preparations are yet to be done, and how you have already prepared yourself till now. What are the flaws you are facing? What are the mistakes you are making? What are the silly errors that is happening during the exam? The time management is very important because time is the one which runs out. And yes, this is the way we can solve and we can check our progress. So we were doing GATE IIT psychology paper, GATE IIT Guwahati 2026 psychology paper. Question number 63. And before we start, let me tell you one thing. All these things can be easily done by just calling us, and the number is given in the screen. It's 9062395123. And for your doubt sessions, for your classes, for your study materials, for your mock tests, everything can be solved from here only. Okay. Now let's focus on the question. So Gordon W. Alport proposed that contact will only be successful in reducing prejudice when it takes place under certain optimal conditions. He suggested that intergroup contact will reduce prejudice if it has acquaintance potential, it takes place under the conditions of equal status, it involves cooperations towards a common goal, it involves simply bringing people from different groups together. Yes, tell me. See, contact between groups does not automatically reduce prejudice. This is very important. Intergroup contact will reduce prejudice. It doesn't do automatically. You have to understand this. It works only under specific conditions, and contact alone is not enough. Condition matter. So there has to be condition. So placed under certain optimal conditions that has been given. Now Alport's key conditions were: number 1 is equal status, number 2 common goal, number 3 is cooperation, not competition. Okay. So often sometimes we can add, we generally do add institutional support. Okay. Now let's go to the question. It has acquaintance potential. Yeah, this is correct. Why correct? Why correct? Because contact should allow meaningful interaction. First, it should allow meaningful. And getting to know each other. This is important. Then comes, it takes place under the condition of equal status. This is very important. Yes, correct. Why? If one group dominates, then prejudice may increase. So it has to be equal. It has to be equal. Equality is essential. Then comes, it involves cooperation towards a common goal. This is also correct. We have talked about this because working together reduces bias. Working together builds shared identity. Then comes it involves simply bringing people from different groups together. No, that's what we have discussed just now, that it has to be equal group. Okay, this is a very common mistake. Mere contact is not equal to prejudice reduction. So mere contact, always remember, is not equal to prejudice reduction. And can even worsen conflict. Okay, so contact without structure can backfire. You have to have a proper structure. So contact without structure can backfire, definitely can backfire. Now, if two rival groups are just put in same room, will they become friend? Not necessarily. They can fight more even. Okay, so it's not contact that reduces prejudice, it is meaningful, equal and cooperative contact. Okay, coming to another very important insight, let me tell you one thing. See, robbers cave experiment over here. I will not go in complete depth. It is about robbers cave experiment. This is sheriff. It is cooperation reduce conflict. Okay, so cooperation can happen, that if you cooperate with each other, it can reduce. So cooperation, so learn this and apply this in your life. Do not fight, you can cooperate each other. Okay, so that we have understood till now, that yes, so it has to be meaningful, it has to be from equal status and cooperation towards common goal, that we have learned it. Okay, so yes, again I try to give every possible meaning or analysis, or you can say the explanations required for a particular question. I do not do shortcut. I could have ended this video long term back just clicking the 3 options correct, but yes, I try to define everything. I try to give you every possible answers required, every possible answers that you deserve to know be related to this question. So what are the correct answers and why they are correct answers, what are the wrong answers and why they are wrong answers. This can help you save time, because you don't have to search for other videos or other material to learn about this question or particular this option. Okay, now let's end this video. I hope you have understood this, you have liked it, and you have learned from it, most importantly. Let's end this video. We'll see you in the next class. Bye bye, take care.